So today I want to show you these dry erase guides that I created that you can write on with an Expo marker. That way you can start memorizing the major bones of the skeletal system. The very first one is the frontal bone. Next we have the maxilla. We have the mandible, the humerus, the xiphoid process, the radius, the ulna, the carpals, the metacarpals, the phalanges, the femur, the tibia, the fibula, the metatarsals, the phalanges, the hallux, the tarsal, temporal bone, the clavicle, the sternum, the costals, the vertebrae, the ilium, the pubis, the ischium, and the patella. And once I finish this, I can flip it over and make sure that the answers are correct. So now let's go ahead and try the posterior side. So the very first one we have is the parietal bone. We have 7 cervical vertebrae. We have 12 thoracic vertebrae. We have 5 lumbar vertebrae. The sacrum, the ischium, the femur, the talus, the calcaneus, the tibia, the fibula, the hallux, the coccyx, the olecranon process, floating rib, scapula, and the occipital bone. After we finish labeling this one, we can turn it over and make sure that we got the answers correct as well. So the really neat thing here is all I have to do is just erase this with maybe some Windex and a paper towel. and then I can try again until I have all of these memorized. If you'd like to buy this, I will leave a link in the description below where you can go and purchase these custom made by myself. Also, I have another link with access to a digital copy of this where you can download this and print it out on your own end, and you can either laminate it or just write on it, whatever you would like. I really hope that this helps you going forward and having fun and studying and memorizing the major bones of the skeletal system. Y'all have a wonderful week ahead, and I will see y'all in the next video. Y'all take care.